Hi, my name is Roni Chernin, and I am the teacher for this section of Detectivos de Pájaros. We're doing it in Piedras Pintadas outside of San Vito, which is a small community, and we have a class of 19 students, and they're just having a really good time. This is experiential education where they're getting to do things instead of just rote learning. So they're getting out and looking at birds and writing in their notebooks and doing all kinds of really good activities. Today we're going to be observing. Okay, so what we're doing today is kind of like a scavenger hunt. The students will be looking for things that don't belong in the natural environment, such as pieces of litter and garbage, and we are going to liberally salt this trail over here with some things for them to find in silence and note in their notebooks what things don't belong. It's an art. It's to help them learn how to be more observant.
A piece of hose, dog brush.
Boy, of all the people
Doesn't
here, I should
belong
have
here.
known that. One of the magical things about environmental education classes like this one is that they use all kinds of educational disciplines. Detectivos de Pájaros uses certainly the sciences, biology, ornithology, taxonomy, and even botany. We also use history, geography, social studies, and math. And as an extra added bonus, especially for a community this rural, we use enrichment classes. Like we have art in this course, we have the dramatic arts, and we have music.
Vamos a trabajar en los cuadernos que ustedes hicieron. Entonces, vamos a traerlos. Persona que tiene una historia de alguien en su familia, ¿cómo podemos notar sonidos? Okay.
Ya eran unos cafés, nosotros los teníamos rojos.
Okay. Pero yo cuando iba ahí, yo decía...
Por allá hay gente hablando.
Un chico que grita aquí. Y es para usted, las observaciones que ustedes... ¿Cuántas personas escuchó carpintero?
Yo,
Good, excellent. La idea es que es solo lo que ustedes observan. Entonces, vamos a caminar por la callecita aquí, pero en silencio. 17 cosas allá que pusimos allá afuera. Y ustedes van a buscarlos. Ya, un ratoncito. ¿Quién era? Ok, nombre de el pájaro si sabe. Si no, un descripción.
Well, we had a lot of fun together, and they got most of the observation done today. They did a pretty good job with that. It's experiential learning. They're having a whole different operation of how they learn in this particular program.
On behalf of the San Vito Bird Club, I want to thank the people at Cornell that made this wonderful program possible. This program was created in the Cornell Laboratory of Ornithology, Department of Education, written by Lily Briggs and Jennifer Fee.